So I'll just right click and add an emitter. I'll take the fountain. And in any emitter, there's a stack that is emitter summary, and this is blank by default. So what the use of this? So basically, if you have a lots of modules and you want to give your file to other artist or your client, and he don't know what to do, how to manage this, you can just put some important setting in the here that he can use, and then you can just make this smaller. So this will look smaller and all the important setting will be here. Like in this fountain, you want to give the other artist or the client the flexibility to change the color. So you can just go to the color and just right click and showing the emitter summary. Now in the emitter summary, this color is reflect and you can just make this smaller and he can just go to the emitter summary and change the color. Okay. If you want to change the like drag, you can just right click on the drag and just nice not oh, showing the emitter summary, and now both will be shown here. So he can just directly change the most important things from your effect. So this is very useful when you have a long list of modules here, a stack of modules, and this is very long. It's really tough to understand. So a good example of this is I'll show you when you create a new emitter, a new system, and you take these these fluids, and if I just go and take a fluid, and if I open, so you will see here in this grid master, if I select in the emitter summary, all the important features are here. Because if you open this, there are lots of modules, and it's really tough to understand for any new artist or any other artist what to do with these all stack. So all the important settings are here, like the change, like the temperature, anything, turbulence. So you can all things change from here. So this is just an example. Okay. So the next thing, when you have this and still the name is very like technical, your client or artist doesn't understand what to do with the drag, you can rename this temporary. So you can just call this if I just open it and click here, and now from here you can edit the name. So you can add the display name like this is like viscous. So drag basically make things viscous. You can call it viscous, and now you can just. So in here, your the other person will understand. Oh, this is something that will make this particle like viscous. Or you want to change. This is not just color. You want to say something specific, like this is the color of glow or anything. You can just go to edit, and here you can change this. Okay, so you can change the color. Uh, you cannot change the display name of this although, but you can change this. Okay, so these are the very basic thing you can do with the summary. It's very important actually. So like we have like gravity and we have the velocity, you can also do that. So like this is cone angle, and if I just make this cone angle uh, visible here, and go here, let's make the drag one back. So cone angle it doesn't make any sense. It's not clear to any other artist. What is the cone angle in this effect? I don't see any cone. So you can just call this like you can go here and add it, and in the cone angle you can call it initial velocity cone angle. Now it makes sense. Oh, this cone angle is about the initial velocity. Although my spelling is mistake, but yeah, you got the point. Now anyone can understand this cone angle is for initial velocity, and I can increase or decrease. So this is very important to simplify your emitter when you have lots of things to do. So I hope this is clear. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.